61.
Boost cut. 13 pounds on boost cut, but it's pump gas.
Yeah, it's trying to keep her soft.
Yep.
Is it sleeved?
No, it's stock. So it's stock with it, so yeah.
All right, Steven is in here just absolutely ripping. Nice job, kiddo. Shane's torching the plates, bending them down, getting it all sealed up, and he's just laying them in. So good work, guys. Derek's here with his new merch.
Yes, sir. New Purple Haze merch.
Yeah, hold that up for me real quick. I want to see what that looks like.
Yeah.
Bro.
So this is the front,
Those turned out so cool.
and then this is the back.
That is awesome. That's great. I love it, man. Those look fantastic.
Yes, sir.
Those are so good. I can't wait till we're wearing them out there, supporting you. Very cool.
Thank you.
Thanks, dude. All right, let's see what it weighs with the cage and nothing else inside. Oh, I got a tube right here. Let's get that out of the way.
No, 200 pounds heavier than this.
Survey says 1342.
1342. 1342. Not bad.
You're 71% with nothing in it.
71% weight bias with nothing inside.
I mean, that's not bad.
Nah,
Because
seems
everything
all right.
really that needs to go into the car is up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the heavy wheels on the front.
Yep.
That's the heavy wheels. I have a weight plate. So what am I, 300 pounds heavier than you?
About, yeah.
Which is a weight
That's
plate.
The weight plate with the difference in the bars.
What's each corner weigh in the back?
The back is 30%, and it's 390
Total?
total. 390.
Go back to the other screen. 198, 192.
Yeah.
198, 192.
The cross is 48.88.
I really like it.
Not there. Since some stuff to offset.
I think we're going to be pretty on track.
I do too.
Sitting.
All right, guys, we're still hard at it. We just notched this 1.5 inch tubing because we decided on Steven's car we would just keep going as far as we could. And I think the compressor's about done, and I'll just redo all this. All right, guys, so Steven got all those floor plates welded in here. And Jamie and I came in today, and we started knocking out these door bars. We've got that one in, we got this one in. We did a lower bar as well on both sides. Now we're gonna stub a bar where these yellow marks come through. We're gonna hole saw through the whole floor here and put one through the floor. And then we're gonna take some tubing from here, bend it down, come through here, bend down, come through here, and then tie those all in together, and then tie those in together. So we may not do the funny car closure yet, or we might, we'll see. But we're gonna definitely have all the floor stuff done and just keep plugging away on this. Kind of wanted to push ourselves to see if we could do it in the car too. Well, you know, after we did Jamie's, we were like, well, we might have been able to do it. So let's just plug away at it and see if we can figure it out. So that's what we're doing. And we've just been having so much fun doing this stuff that we just wanted to keep going. And it's getting cold outside, and you know, gives us something to tinker on, and we're having a lot of fun doing it. But yeah, getting all these guys ready. I really dig how this is all turning out. Those turned out sweet. February is gonna be amazing. Yes, I love them. This is PFI's month of love. So Jamie notched this tube, and you can see he's putting a little bend to it here. And this tube's gonna tie into the main hoop rear bar, and then it'll be flat against the floor. So kind of figuring it out. And I like the fact that, you know, you notched it first, because it can get a little hard to hold into a notcher. Is it still in the car?
It's over by the car, yeah.
Hold on, I got you. My big old welding helmet. Oh, these things are key ingredient. We lose them on the regular. Even though they usually end up in a pocket or something. All right. That looks awesome. That's kind of what was in my head too.
A lot of a guesstimate, but
yeah.
How I did the bend was I measured from the bottom of the pipe to the floor, and I put the notch in and started bending, and so I took my measurement, you know, I held my tape here and kept bending until this was at my 4.5 inches to the bottom of the pipe to the bottom of that pipe.
Yeah.
So if that'll
sense.
work, I don't know.
It'll work. So Aaron just had some acupuncture done because he almost broke his neck.
Yeah, buddy.
Now you're just moving a little slower than normal.
Acupuncture with pins.
So
hammer.
what are you
Right next to you.
Oh, you're
I've got a bump in the floor right here.
gonna try to knock the bump out and see if you can. Persistence.
That's about what the acupuncture with the tip unit on it felt like.
Dude.
I'm not bad here. And look, it's literally flat on the floor the whole way.
Now we just gotta duplicate that one
Yep.
for the other side.
Yep.
You tested it.
Yeah. Yep.
You just whack that one spot down.
Shoot,
and
that
that'll fall right into play.
That one, this side fits really good.
Oh, it fits better on this side.
Oh, it does.
Yeah. Like that little spring up right there isn't there on
Right
this
here.
side.
That's because you gotta knock this spot right here
Yeah.
down, and it's just gonna lay
Well, that's what
flat.
he just knocked down,
That's
yeah,
all
on the other side.
Yeah.
Yep. So I'll just mimic that.
So grab that hammer, pull a Michael Jackson.
Put
and
this
just
one on the
beat
other
it.
side again.
Yeah, hand it to me.
Didn't even get my joke.
And get my glove on. Don't only wear one at a time. But that's, dude, that's like perfect. Because literally, like you said, you make one, we come across here, we tie those two together, it's pretty good.
So basically I want to make both of these, put them where they need to be, drill the holes, measure it, notch it, get it in there.
Oh.
Move, Rick, get out the way. No? Another one that wasn't funny?
Oh, it's great.
Man, if I had feelings, you'd be hurting them today.
Oh, I need to cut it a little shorter.
Dang, that's gonna
Well,
look
like
good. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is multi-layer, so we have 2 layers of steel right through here. So we were able to get through there. I'm gonna do the other side. We're gonna keep making a race car.
I'm ready to do your hole drill.
I got one.
I got the middle pipe mostly made.
Mostly good.
Well, it just depends on if I need to trim or not.
Oh, there's 2 layers. That was. There we are.
Okay. Now, let me see the one that says D.
You like the what?
Overhead, Brent, don't look.
What do you want?
If I give you this D bar,
Nah.
D on it.
I got the P next to you.
I'm getting stuck up in here. That one's at the back of the hole. This one's at the front of the hole. That thing. That looks so nice right now.
I know.
I'm just thankful you made me retack it so I could have it look that nice. Couldn't floor it, so
Gotcha.
I was having to use what was there. That looks awesome.
What's this?
That's a Super Shifter 9000. Steven doesn't know, but we spent all weekend putting in the floor tubes, and gonna go inside and show him right now.
That's a lot of bars.
What do you think?
That's awesome.
Surprise!
Surprise. It's way more sturdy.
Yeah, I didn't want to tell you. I just wanted you to see it.
Yeah.
It's all welded back there. You can pick up off your bar now. Everything's tough. So it's like,
It's heavy though.
all right, not for you probably. I'm just old. Yep, you're caged up, kiddo. But yeah, I went through and put all the floor bars in, so those are all legit.
Yeah. I'm stoked. That's awesome.
Yep. And that bar's a little bit of Sho'nuff too, so you can see it's still got the little bit of paint on it. So you got a little Sho'nuff in there.
That's awesome.
Very cool.